Hi guys, Sunday. Found a great way to close up holes. I'm just working here, working away on the door, and I soldered some little squares of 22 gauge steel to the back side of the door underneath, or inside rather. I don't know, you might be able to, no, you can't see it. And then I thought, how am I gonna fill these holes? Now here is the remainder of a screw, and instead of trying to fight to get it out, I thought, why don't I just grind it down and leave it there? And then I was trying to figure out how to plug these holes, and then I thought, well, wait a minute, copper is soft, so I just got some copper wire and stripped the jacket off it, bent it, shoved it in the hole, and soldered it. The copper wire will help support the solder and make a nice joint, and then I can come back with a flapper wheel and grind everything smooth. And here I have the hole prepped with copper wire in it. And to demonstrate, let's see if I can make this work. So, got my copper wire and diagonal cutters. Just cut the vinyl jacket. That jacket's on there pretty tough. There it goes. So that I'll grab the wire, cut it off, and now I have all these strands. So then what I'll do is just bend them in half. So now I have a loop. Oh. I'll go over here to the door. Here's one of the holes. And just poke the wire into the hole. And that's as far in as it needs to go. It doesn't have to be tight. It just has to hold. So I don't want to get the camera too close to the work, because I don't want to burn the camera lens like I did with when I was welding. There we go. Okay. Okay, those turned out really nice. It's solid. know the camera, I'm jittery today. So that plugged the hole very nicely. Now, I know a lot of the old timers. I'm an old timer now. I know a lot of the older guys my age and a little older will remember the term lead sled. Well, that's one of the ways of doing custom body work back in the day before Bondo was invented. They'd prep the steel and then use a torch, heat the metal up, and then use a bar of lead with a spoon. Not like the type of spoon you eat with. It's actually looks like a wood spoon with a funky handle on it, kind of like the shape of these brushes, but the spoon portion was out at the end. And they would just work the lead, and you had to be really good at it, because if you got the lead too warm, it would just right on, just slide right off the metal onto the ground. And then what you can do is you can shape the lead with a file. And I forgot the name of that file. Looks like it's fish scales. Oh man. Anyway, and then paint primer over it, and things will be good. So anyway, this my little experiment there, and it seems to have worked very well. So again, thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. Later.